Introducing MuroBox, the world's first app-controlled music box. By using our app, MuroBox can play any song you like. With just a few simple taps, you can create a melody in seconds. The MuroBox will play your creation right after one click on the app. Start a wonderful day with your favorite melody. Our patented cylinder design has flexible pins to plug each tooth of the cone according to the way you enjoy a music box. It enriches your life with surprise. Send to you the world's first app-controlled music box, MuroBox. All of your memories in one music box.
No limit to our children's imagination. Do you know if your children are drinking enough water?
There was an explosion that polluted the planet Ema, and it brought tons of monsters. The Galulu creatures are in trouble. They need our help.
Kids ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Now their imagination is combined with a healthy lifestyle. Welcome to the Galulu universe, a magical world where Galulu's home planet is in ruin, and it's up to our children to return it to its original beauty. Set up your Galulu and choose your pet. Only by drinking the recommended amount of water per day can you keep your pets healthy and save their home planet. Add friends, always stay connected. The more you drink from your Galulu, the more adventures you will unlock and explore. The Galulu universe is ever expanding with automatic updates of new features and currency countries. With Galulu, children stay engaged, hydrated, and healthy.
Let's go, let's go.
Come join us where imagination and well-being go hand in hand here in the Galulu universe.
Let's go. Rock your imagination. Let's go.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollover, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollover is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollover is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollover comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollover provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality.
I think there's a good one. You know, good like 5 seconds or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that kind of thing.
That's
Yeah.
okay.